One for reading Excel, one for writing writing output, right? So where is reading file? What that file name we saved? Did you remember? We saved that as
Test
controller.
input.
Controller. In test input folder we saved as controller.xls, right? Right click on this Excel file, go to properties, copy this location, exact location. Okay, copy this location and paste here. And next you want write outputs, right? So right click on output folder, go to properties, copy this location again, and try to maintain the path of your output folder. And with what name you want to create that file, you give that file name. My file name is keyword.xlsx. I want that file name. Selenium will generate, or you will generate that file?
Selenium.
Selenium will generate that Excel file automatically. After execution, we can see as keyword.xls. Okay, fine. And one more thing. Here, observe that there are two sheets called test cases and test steps. Let us store these two sheets into respective variables globally. Okay. So first to store test case sheet into one variable, string. I'm giving one name, TC sheet. TC stands for test case. Okay, is equal to copy that sheet name. What that sheet name? Test cases. As it is. Copy this and paste here. Next, string TS sheet means test step sheet. TS stands for test step. Okay, don't confuse. And give that sheet name. What that sheet name? Test steps. So whenever you're planning to take data from test case sheet, you have to go with this variable. Okay, TC sheet. Whenever you're planning to work this test step sheet, take the help of this variable TS sheet. Okay, na? Yes, two variables are declared perfectly. Next, I need to declare two more variables under class level. One is called, all of you know what type of methods written, all of you guys? What type of methods written here? Boolean type. Look at that. All are written types are Boolean type, and method type is static type, that we know.
Static.
Only one method written. Click branches only white type. Rest of methods are Boolean type only.
Boolean.
So Boolean types are returning true or false. Yes or no? So here under class level, I am declaring one variable Boolean to store my resultant value. Res is equal to, initially it will be false. So what is it res? Res is a variable where we are going to store our results, true or false results. Okay, na? And here one more variable I'm declaring here, string TC res, test case results. Why I'm using this variable, I'll tell you coming. Now, no need to go with before after. Why? Because already we extended before after in PB constant here, right? Now directly go to @test case, test method, control space bar, write a method public void, method name is start test. I'm just giving main as start test. Now, all of you know Excel methods. We need to access Excel methods. Am I right or not? Compulsory. Excel methods. Yes or no? So, how do you access that Excel methods here? How do we access Excel methods? This Excel methods, all of you know, I think. Look at them. All other non-static methods, right? And there is a constructor. Let us create object for this constructor so that we can access all the methods. So, creating object for Excel methods. Okay, so what is that? Excel file util control space bar. Class name you have to remember. Excel file util Store into one object, ma. Excel is equal to, come on, new
New Excel file util.
Excel file util. Excel file util. And here we have to define where is the path? Where is the path? Input path. Yes or no? Already stored the path of Excel at the global level. Do you remember? Right? So here add our superclass to overcome that problem. Throws throwable. Okay. Next. After this, what to do? First,
All the methods.
count number of rows in which sheet, ma? TC sheet. TC sheet means
Test case.
Test case.
test case sheet. Come on. Count number of rows.
Excel.
Integer. We are storing into variable.
Row count. Row count is equal to
TC count. I'm saying I'm storing into one variable TC count. I'm declaring an object as TC count. Number of rows of TC count. The TC sheet will be stored into TC count. TC count is equal to Excel dot get row count.
Get row count.
Row count.
No, row count only. Kada?
Row count.
Row count. From which sheet you're counting rows?
Test case. TC.
TC sheet.
TC sheet.
Test case is that. Test cases has been stored into TC sheet. Yes or no? Define that. At the same time, count number of rows, number of columns, count number of cells in row.
In the first.
Sorry, count number of rows again. Number of rows in TS sheet.
TS sheet.
Come on, we have to count this sheet. Come on, integer.
TS count.
TS count.
TS
is
count.
TS sheet.
TS count is equal to Excel dot row
Row
count.
count of
From which sheet you're counting?
TS sheet.
TS sheet.
And if you want to count columns, we can count. It's not mandatory for us. Print them for your understanding. Print them. Reporter
Of logs.
dot log. You can say
Number of
number of
In TC
Rows
sheet.
in
number of
test
rows
case.
In TC
in
sheet.
Test
TC
case.
sheet plus colon plus
TC count.
TC count.
TC count
Count.
plus some blank space
Number of rows in TS
plus
sheet.
Plus
number of rows in
TS
TS
sheet.
sheet.
TS sheet.
TS sheet colon
TS count.
plus
TS count.
TS
TS count.
count, comma,
Comma true.
True.
otherwise it won't print your console tab. Okay, fine. We counted rows in both sheet and they are stored in respective variable. The first concentration is we have to read these columns compulsory. We have to iterate number of tests. We are running number of test cases, not a single test case. So let us take one look for iterating test cases. Okay. Iterate all rows in which sheet, ma?
TC sheet.
TC sheet.
TC
For integer
TC
I is equal to 1,
I
One.
equals to 1.
I less than or equal to
Then
TC.
TC count.
TC
yes,
count.
TC count.
TC count
Because we already counted rows into TC count, right? So I plus plus.
plus.
First, from this sheet, main target is what? Our intention is what? Whichever test case flagged to Y, only those test cases should execute. Whichever test case flagged to N, those test cases should not get executed. So for that, what you do? So let us read this column, execute column, 0, 1, 2, third column, execute column and store into respective variable. So read, execute cell from which sheet? From TC sheet.
TC sheet.
Okay. So that column is a string type or integer type?
String type.
String type.
String
Yes,
type.
string type.
String type.
I'm defining same variable execute. Execute execute is equal to excel dot get cell data.
Cell data.
From which sheet, ma?
TC sheet.
TC
TC
sheet.
sheet.
Which row? All rows. I.
First
Which
0.
column it is?
0.
2 na?
Third.
2.
3.
Second column. 0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2, 2.
0,
2.
1, 2.
1.
2.
Starting from 0 kada. Anything start from 0. Row number, column number, everything start from 0. That all of you. Don't forget that. Okay. Now I have to give a condition. What's that condition? Whichever test case to flag Y only should execute those test cases. Whichever test case flag to N, block them. Selenium
not
should come and write as blocked in this results column. So first give a condition. What is that condition? If which column? Exe execute dot
Contain.
equals
Contains.
ignore case to Y, flag Y. If it is flag Y, then we need to read that columns with else part. Here I'm writing else part. What that else part, ma? Else
Block.
write as blocked. Write as blocked into which sheet? TC sheet.
TC sheet.
TC sheet. Where in results
Column.
cell. Okay. Ask Selenium, write it. Go and ask it. Write it now itself. Excel dot. Set cell data.
Set
Writing,
cell
writing.
data.
Set cell data. Which sheet?
TC
TC
sheet.
TC sheet. Which row?
TC
All
sheet.
row.
All rows.
I.
Which column it is?
All rows.
Third column.
3.
Third column. What status you want, right?
Third column.
Blocked.
Blocked.
Yeah.
Because remember, in Excel util methods, third we written 3 conditions. Do you remember? In Excel util methods, 3 conditions written. Wait, write it. Output path.
Output
In Excel,
path.
Excel util method, for the last method we run 1 for pass, 1 for pass, 1 for fail, and 1 for not executed, not blocked.
Not
Won't write blocked. Okay, blocked. Change it. Otherwise, it won't write that color because we are written for blocked only, right? Yes or no? That's what. Don't worry. It write as blocked. Okay. Come back to if condition again. Now, in that if condition, first we need to read test case ID column. Read this test case ID column and store into one variable. Read TCID. TCID stands for test case ID. Test case ID is cell from TC
TC sheet.
from
TC
TC
sheet.
sheet. From TC sheet.
TC sheet.
Read that string TCID. I'm defining the same variable.
TCID.
TCID is equal to. Come on, read that. Read that column.
Excel dot.
Excel dot
Excel dot.
Data.
get cell data. Which sheet?
TC sheet.
TC sheet.
TC sheet. Which row?
All rows. I.
Which
I.
column?
I row.
0.
I
0.
0.
First column. This is the first column. 0. So don't bother about this column. Done. This complete sheet is complete. Now come to your test step sheet. Now your test cases execute step by step from this test step sheet only. So we are not reading single step. We are reading number of steps here. So again, we have to take one more looping statement. Yes or no? Iterate all the loops. So iterate all rows in TS sheet
TS sheet.
for integer j is
Is equal to 1.
j less than or equal to TS
Then equal to TC
count.
TS
kadamma. TS count j
TS
plus plus. TS is for test steps,
J
TC
plus
for
plus.
test case. Don't
Test case.
confuse. Rest of you guys
Test
following.
case.
Rest of you
Yes,
guys. All of you. Rishwal, Lata,
Yes.
all of you. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, from this sheet also, first we have to read this column, test case ID column. Read this test case ID column and store in one variable. Read.
Test case
TS
TCID.
ID, test step ID. Okay.
TSID from
TS ID from where? From
TS sheet.
TS
sheet. TS sheet.
sheet. Come on, read that. And store into one variable
String.
is also
String
string test. String
TSID is equal to
TSID
TS ID is equal to
Excel dot
Excel dot
get
Get
cell
cell
data.
data.
Cell
get
data.
cell data. Which sheet, ma?
TS sheet.
TS
TS
sheet.
sheet.
Which row?
Row I.
J.
I.
J rows. J rows.
J. J.
J. Which column it is?
0.
0.
0.
First column. Now, I want to compare. See that. What that logic here is, this IDs and this ID should match. Am I right or not? The test case ID, what you define in test cases, and the test step ID, what you define in test step, both should match. When both are equal, then only you should go on executing each and every step. So, compare it. Give the condition here. What that condition? If
TCID
TCID
ID.
dot
dot equals
Equals
ignore
ignore
case.
case
Always
to
go with ignore
Equals
case here. Case sensitive.
ignore case.
What?
TSID
TS
TSID.
ID.
TSID. So whenever they're equal,
TSID.
whenever they're equal, what Selenium has to do? When both are equal, what Selenium has to do? Now it has to read this keyword column, because we are going to call all methods with help of this keywords only. Remember that. Okay. So go to branches, we can say not applicable because we don't want any keyword for it. And also here also go to branches also not applicable because we don't give any keyword for that, right? We can make it no problem. But for rest of them, we want keywords. NA stands for not applicable, meaning, okay? Don't worry, I am updating it. Okay. Yet to send you, I'll send you today. Yes. This column, keyword column, 0, 1, 2, 3, third column. Read keyword cell from TS
TS
sheet.
sheet.
Come on.
Sheet.
String. I'm storing into one variable keyword is equal to Excel dot
Excel dot
get cell data.
Get cell data.
Which sheet you want it?
TS sheet.
TS sheet.
TS
TS
sheet.
sheet. Which row?
All rows.
J.
J.
Which column it
J.
is?
3.
3.
Rina, go and check it out. 0, 1, 2, 3. Third column only, right? Okay. Now we have to keep on calling all the methods with help of the keywords. Whichever keyword, if this keyword admin login matches, then what should execute? Admin module, login module should execute. When this keyword matches for branch creation, call this keyword. So like that, we have to keep on calling all these keywords, update branch and all that, one by one. First, condition. What that condition? If keyword dot equals ignore case to
Case.
exact keyword we have defined. If it is matching to admin login, call this method from this function library. First method, what is that first method?
Verify login.
What is that verify login? What type of method is? Boolean type.
Boolean.
Yes, initially declared object for that res to store my resultant value. Okay, let us store every method results into this res variable. Let us store every method results into this res variable. Okay, na? Yes or no? That's the reason I declared res globally. Store it. Call that method store first. Res is equal to
Res.
function library. We have to call with function class name. Yes or no? Function, because non-static method kada. Function library dot what that method name? Verify.
Verify login.
See, for every method, see that there's a written method name verify for understanding. Look at that. All methods are available. Verify login. Now see, you pass your values for that arguments. I will pass my arguments. That's how the way we reuse methods, ma. Okay. That's the reason we write only one time all reusable methods. Anybody can reuse your methods. Anyone can reuse. Everybody in the organization can reuse. And they'll call them and they'll pass their own values for their arguments. You call, you pass your own arguments. Okay. My username for this application, all of you know that.
Admin. Admin.
What is that? Admin.
Admin.
Password is also
Admin.
admin. Yes or no? One method called. Next. Else.
Else.
If. Some people writing switch statement. Don't go with switch. No switch. Go with else if. Okay, next keyword. Keyword dot equals ignore case to. Next method. What's the next method, ma? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir. It's audible. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What that next method we want to call? Branch creation. What the keyword for branch creation we defined here? New branch
New
creation. Give that
creation.
keyword, exact keyword. If it is matching, anyone of tell me which method we need to call first here. All of I think we understood it. In function library, I think we written. Before going for creating a new branch, before going to create a new
You have
branch,
to call the.
click
you have to
branches.
call
Kada?
Click on the
Fine.
branches first.
Click branch is a white type or a boolean type? Click branch. Click branch.
Click branches is a void type.
White type. Click branch is a white type. So there is no need to store your results. No results for this. So simply directly call that method with class name.
Click
That
branches.
class name function.
Function library
Function
dot.
library dot.
Click branches.
Branch.
Branches.
No arguments. But after clicking branches, now we need to call branch creation. RES is equal to, we have to store our results into RES. RES is equal to,
Function
again,
library.
Function library dot.
yeah, function library dot
Verify
verify
branch creation.
Now see, whatever arguments you define, now you pass your value with what branch name you want to create, give that branch name. My branch name is address 1. Define whatever you want, okay? Address 3. Area. Zip code here. Zip code allows only 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't go beyond 5 digits. And here, when we come to list boxes, all of you remember I told you already, list boxes we cannot define our own. We cannot define our own item names. Whatever you want to select, that item should be available in your application. That is very important. First, go and check your application. Premise banking is becoming too late. Whichever country, suppose my country is India. I think in that list box, they gave India as capitals. As it is, we have to define list box because they're list boxes. That's what we select by visible text. If you give select by index number, we can give numbers. Easy to give numbers, no problem. State also. If you want select state, that state should be existing in that list box. Space. And city. Whatever city, it should be existing in that list box. I know it is available, everything. Let me check it out. I think, I don't know. Let me check. Branches. Click on new branch. So that when I select India, taking time to loading. See that Andhra Pradesh, A capital B, okay? And also city also should be existing. Suppose if you want Hyderabad, then H should be capital. Whatever available, we can give. Okay? So then semicolons. Next. So whenever this keyword, which keyword, new branch creation matches, then automatically branch creation will execute. Next. Else, if. What that next one, ma? Keyword dot equals ignore case if it is matching to update branch. Next one is update branch. If it is matching to update branch, then call that method. For update branch also, we have to click branches compulsory. Am I right or not? Because you should go to detail space compulsory. So function library dot click branches,
Click branches.
and then call that res is equal to
RS is equal to
function library
dot
dot verify. What is that? Branch update. So with what name you want to update branch name, you define that branch name again. Okay. And zip code also we have to define numerics ma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not more than 5 digits. Not more than 5 digits. Okay. Now finally else if
Logout.
else if keyword
Dot.
dot
Ignore case to
equals ignore case to
case.
admin logout.
if it is matching to logout
Admin
keyword.
logout.
If it is matching this admin logout, then call no for this result.
No
For this also we
resultant.
have resultant value. Boolean type return. Boolean type. Res is equal to function
Function
library
library
dot verify
Logout.
logout.
So what is res?
Stores
What
true or
is
false.
res? Res is a variable which is holding true or false.
True
Yes
or
or no?
false.
Result, yes, sir.
Now condition. What that condition? First, I'm declaring one more variable here for my understanding. String TSRES. TSRES means test results.
Test results.
TCRES is test case results.
Test case results.
I'm declaring to store my resultant value. TSRES. Okay. My condition is that. What is it? My condition if RES. This RES may be true. If RES is true means what that meaning? The steps got executed successfully. Yes or no? If RES 2, what Selenium has to do? True means what? Pass, meaning.
Pass.
Selenium should go and write as pass into results column in which sheet? TS sheet. I repeat again. Because see that RES is a Boolean type. This is RES is holding true or false. True means pass, false means fail. Gada. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
True means pass, ma.
Pass.
False means fail.
Fail.
దీంట్లో ఉంటాయి RS లో ఉంటాయి మొత్తం. It will be storing that RS. So if it is true means should go and write where what should write? Write as pass into
Pass in
results cell in which sheet ma?
TS
TS
sheet.
come on, write. First write results. Rabichesend. Excel dot
Set cell data. Set cell data.
set cell
Data.
data. ఏ షీట్ అమ్మా?
TS sheet.
TS sheet.
A sheet, which row? J,
J.
all row. Which column it is? 0,
4.
1,
0,
2, 3, 4. Fourth column.
4.
Fourth column. 4. Status.
Pass.
pass,
Here, for that I am storing TS RES is equal to, I am defining as pass here.
okay,
Okay. So then what I status, what I should write status
Pass.
here? TS.
TS RES.
yes,
Where? Into
Output path.
Output path.
output path,
else.
if
Else ente write as
TSRES is equal to fail.
Fail.
write as fail into results column in TS sheet.
TS sheet,
So again I declare I'll store that pass status into this TSRES as
fail,
fail.
Fail.
Again
Excel dot set
Excel dot
Excel dot
Excel
set
dot
cell data of
Excel dot
set
set cell data.
data of
Sheet name is
TS
TS sheet.
TS sheet. Which row it is?
J.
Which
J,
column?
4.
Fourth column. Status
TS
RES,
where?
Output path.
output path,
Output path. So this what happens in this test case sheet, test sheet. Then after that we have to do some validation, some more validation. What that validation I will do here is, I'm going to give one more condition. What that condition is, after this executing, after writing the results, I'm giving one more, because now we should go and write into the test case sheet also. If not, TS
RES,
RES
RES
dot equals ignore
to
case to fail.
fail,
What that condition, anybody?
If TSS RES is not equal
What
to
is not?
fail,
What is not?
TSRES.
Opposite kada?
It is passed.
Opposite. Pass అయితే fail అయితే
Pass.
pass. Opposite, not operator, not operator, ma. Not operator.
Yes.
Opposite, returns opposite. If TSRS pass అనుకోండి, what it will be storing?
Fail.
Fail. అంతే కదా? If TSRS is holding fail, it will be holding pass. If it is holding fail, if it is holding pass, it will be fail. So if
Fail.
TSRS equals fails, then what Selenium has to do? Declared globally. Initially, I
Pass.
declared one object, I think. Initially, I declared one object. TC RES equal to TS RES. What is this? Anybody? What is equal, first of all? What is equal?
TSRES will be stored into TCRES.
What is equal? Assignment operator, kada?
Assignment, yeah.
Assigning a value. TSRES lo edaithe undo, that will be stored
It
into
comes to TCRES.
TCRES.
if TSRS is holding pass,
TCRES
TCRS
will
also holds pass.
TCRES is also pass.
If it is holding fail,
TCRES also fail.
then what to do? If it is holding that, where to write now? We should go and write into,
TC.
we should go and write
sheet.
into test case sheet in results column.
TC.
When after completion of executing all your steps, or before writing that?
After executing all the steps.
After J loop, am I right? After J loop. Look at
Close
that.
J loop.
Up to your J loop, after completion of executing all your steps, after completion of, see that I copied, see, I just showing you J loop. After executing this, J loop is iterating your steps, executing all your methods. After completion of executing all your steps for every test case, then Selenium should go and write as
TC sheet.
TC RES into
TC sheet.
TC
sheet.
sheet results
Results column.
cell. అంతే కదా? Write it. Excel dot set cell data.
Cell data.
In which sheet?
TC sheet.
TC sheet, which
TC
row?
sheet.
I.
I.
I
Which
row.
column it is?
3.
1, 2.
3.
Which column it is? 3.
3.
What status you want, right? Tell me what status you want, right?
TCRES.
TC.
TCRES.
Yes. TCRS is holding as a pass or fail. Okay. What to write? Where to write that?
Output
Where to
path.
write that?
Output path.
Into?
Output path.
Output path.
Output.
See, that's what. See, after completion of executing all your test cases, we are asking to see that else part has come down. Else part. See that. Blocked part. Yes or no? See that. After completion of executing all your J loop, after completion of executing all your test cases only, you should go and write as into the sheet, and then else part should execute. Whichever test cases are flagged into N, it will go and write as blocked in that respective sheet. And this, all of them should be within I loop only. Rest of the things should be, all of them should be in I loop only, all of them. And see, if condition, we go flag condition, if condition. Whether that if condition, this is within that if condition or not. Look at that. If condition. After executing whichever test case to flag Y, whichever test case to flag Y, whichever test case to flag Y, they'll execute, and whichever else part, whichever test case to flag N, automatically should go and write as blocked into same sheet. I don't know how to execute, I don't know. But now I want to execute only login test case. What to do?
Flag it to I.
Where? Where?
In the TC sheet.
TC sheet.
Where? Where?
In the Excel sheet.
In Excel sheet. Okay. Open an Excel sheet. Go to test case sheet. Flag to I only this particular test case. Remaining flag them to block. I don't want run. First timing, I want run only this particular test case. Flag to I. Save it and come down, and anything property file, everything given correctly. All of us. PB constant. They give path correctly. That's very important. Here also Chrome. And we have Chrome driver here. If you not maintain, we'll store that. Chrome driver, maybe, let's say the version of Chrome driver, 83. It won't work out. Now it's 85. Delete this. You have to go according to that latest version. Kada? I already downloaded Chrome driver, 85, I think. In my system, I have 85 version of Chrome here. So we have to go with respect to drivers. Otherwise, it will fail compulsory. Copy this. Come to your driver folder. Where is that driver folder? Right click on that, paste it. Okay, save it. Now, right click to mouse, run as. Come to driver script, run as test-ng, test. Which test case will execute now? If everything written correctly. Oh. Encounter a problem. Type in. It's not executing here.
Sorry, I have none.
Null point exception. Anywhere we did a mistake. Code word and everything is perfect written here. No.
Yes.
ఒక 10 minutes అయితే అయిపోతుంది 10 minutes.
Function library. All we associate correctly. Point exception means it is not executing, it's not going inside that test case.
So shall we write the main method within the function library and check, sir, if it is opening the browser or no?
No, this is not going inside the test method, first of all. It's not going to this test method, null point exception. That means, let me check. I'm able to launch my browser in this function library. You can type like main.
That main method.
And you can call
Function
that
library
methods. Function library. Somewhere, so function library dot admin. Sorry. Dot verify login.
Login.
Let me check.
Admin.
I'm checking in the main method first. Let me check is executing or not.
Throws throwable exception. Super.
Exception. Right. Let me here as Java class. It's a null point exception. Line number 14. OBJ username. We define as well as OBJ username already. OBJ username is everything defined accordingly. Browser. The keywords are correctly defined. Browser is keyword. Browser only. Chrome, CHROME. Chrome. URL. Everything defined correctly. Oh, there are two if conditions. Look at here.
Yes.
Why two if conditions? Not required, right? Only one if condition. There are two if I think. Some issue here. Somewhere it's, let me remove this main method. Driver script. Because this folders issues may be test input folder. Okay, I will do one thing here. I will create one more because I came back to my AWS from my system, so that change system configuration change. That's a problem. There's nothing wrong in the code what we done. Test engine is also available. Refresh. Test out folder. You see the reports. One with web browser. Scripting failed. It's saying null point exception. Utilities that set cell data Excel file till line number 55. Excel file till line number 55 and driver factory driver script 88 line number 88. Excel util with that Excel util 55 line number 55. 55.
Equals.
Driver script 88.
Yes, sir.
88 line number 88. 88. That's the reason it's showing that null point exception. Line number 55, Java, Excel, set cell data, writing issue here.
Excel file util, sir.
Any problem with this sheet name and anything? Writing nothing, right?
In environmental properties,
Okay, I'll check it now. I'll confirm it. Okay, don't worry. Everything is fine. There's nothing wrong in the code what written. I'll check it.
So
We'll check it tomorrow, and I'll add reports also for this. Okay, how to add reports and how to generate with reports, how to execute all 3 test cases. Then we'll go for one more thing. Okay, na? Okay, guys.
So if you find
I'll send you up to function libraries today.
Tomorrow.
All of you, please work out with it up to driver script. I'll send tomorrow, not today, because I had to complete this driver script, right? Already Excel methods are with you. I don't want to send you again Excel methods, right?
Which?
Yes or no?
Sir.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear, sir?
Am I audible?
yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, we can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, if you
I
find a
can't hear you.
solution for null pointer exception, could you please share with us, sir?
Huh?
If you find a solution for null pointer exception, could you please share with us tomorrow, sir?
Yeah, null point exception means it's not going inside that method, test method.
Yes, sir,
That
I'm getting the
problems-
same type of error in one of my programs, sir. That's the reason. So I deleted, like I removed all the jar files and I added the new jar files. I'm just
No,
trying
not
it
the
out.
jar files issue, ma. That is not jar
Okay.
file issue. The issue is maybe it is not taking the class method. We are missing somewhere. The paths are missing somewhere. That's the problem.
So for me, sir,
Every
it is
step-
going into the method and it is reading the methods, and for every method it is giving us null pointer exception. So if you find a solution, please let me know tomorrow.
Null
sir.
point exception means the path what you provided may be not given right path. Check that path. That's what here also I have the same problem. That's what I want to change on my path.
Okay, fine, sir. Yeah, I'll look into it. Yeah.
Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay. So remaining we'll complete tomorrow. Okay. Okay, ma?
Okay, sir.
Right?
Thank you,
Right.
sir. Bye.
See you
Okay,
tomorrow.
sir, thank you.
I'll send up to function library up to date, and driver script I have to send by tomorrow. I have to check it and send you tomorrow. Okay. I'll execute in front of you and send you. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
कोड लिखा हुआ रहता है कॉपी पेस्ट मार देता